Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the power and practice of deep breathing, considering how we can use it throughout the day to rest and reset both body and mind. To begin, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Straighten your back without strain, and then soften the shoulders, arms, and hands. Close your eyes if they are open, and then draw your attention to the surface beneath you. Whether you are seated on the floor, chair, or another surface, simply notice each square inch of your body that is in contact with the material world below. Take a moment now to make note of your breath without changing it in any way. Simply observe its present depth, rhythm, and any other sensations it creates. Is it cool as it enters you, or is it warm? How does it feel as it leaves your body? Just take a few more moments to notice your breath here, becoming aware of any subtle changes in between each cycle. As you settle into this space, notice if your breath becomes softer or deeper. And notice how your mind shifts. Has it become calmer in these last few breaths or more restless? Let whatever you notice be completely welcomed. There are no right or wrong observations to make. We each come into our daily meditation with different thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So see if you can open your heart with compassion for your experience. Take just a few more mindful breaths here before we dive deeper. Most of us have been instructed at various points in life to take a deep breath. Even outside of meditation and mindfulness circles, this advice is incredibly common. But why is that? What is it about deep breathing that has the power to soothe us? Well, it turns out that the instruction to take a deep breath is more than just a comforting phrase. Behind the words, the practice of deep breathing brings about physiological changes in the body that promote peace and relaxation. When we are stressed or anxious, the breath tends to be shallow as the body enters fight or flight mode. Whether the threat we face is real or perceived, the body prepares to protect itself based on the mind's perception of fear or danger. However, amid this automatic response to danger, we can gently guide ourselves back into relaxation by consciously adjusting the breath. As we soften the belly and allow the breath to deepen, the fight or flight response eases and a relaxation response takes over. The relaxation response, a term coined by Dr. Herbert Benson, relaxes both mind and body, bringing us slowly towards a calm and peaceful state once again. While deep breathing might not help us in cases when we have to flee immediate danger, it can very well ease our fears when the threat we face is one that lives in the mind. When stress, anxiety, or tension arise, we can take daily breaks in our day to practice deep breathing for just a few minutes at a time. Let's explore this now. Turn your attention back to your body, straightening your back once again and relaxing your shoulders. And then tune into the natural flow of your breath. Let it be soft, steady, and smooth. And now, begin to breathe in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Continuing this pattern of breathing, place one or both hands on the belly. And then see if you might gently soften your core as you invite each inhalation to fill your stomach. Continue breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth as you explore this gentle deepening of your breath. In through the nose as you soften the belly, allowing it to expand naturally. And then out through the mouth, allowing your stomach to relax. Continue this on your own now for a few more rounds. Notice any shifts that have occurred in your mind, perhaps a calming, a quieting, or a softening. And then take one final full-bellied breath here, watching the gentle ebb and flow of this life force. Draw your attention back to the ground beneath you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.